Going to show you how to change the battery on your Chevy key fob. This is on a Silverado pickup truck from a 2024. This is very easy to do. There is a little secret button here. If you push that button in, you'll slide out the physical key that fits inside the fob like this. And with that out, all we're going to do is just take our fingernail, go away from the side with the buttons. It's going to be the other side. This whole panel is going to come off. And if I just take my fingernail here and just pry up like that, you'll see that the whole thing will come off. Now these use the larger style batteries. This is the CR2450. They're a little chunkier than the typical CR 2032s. These last a lot longer as a result. So you got to want to make sure you get that CR2450 battery. To replace it, you're going to just do it here with the plus side facing up, so the lettering facing up. I'm just going to slide that in place underneath there. And then to replace the cover, you're just going to line that up, get it lined up there, and just click it down. It's just going to snap right back in place, ever so easy. Then take your physical key and slide it in clicks, and now you're done. You've got a nice fresh battery in your Chevy pickup truck. Hey, this works on a whole bunch of different GM vehicles, whether it's a Chevy Silverado here or a GMC. You're going to find that this works in a lot of cases the same way, to just slide that panel off the back. Hope that helps. Have a great day.